Do you want to make $10,000 to $20,000 every single month? Then stop what you're doing. The YouTube algorithm is pushing Stickman animation channels like crazy. Take a look at this channel called Rico Animations. They currently have over 13 million subscribers with just 846 videos. One of their most popular shorts has gotten 253 million views, 144 million views, and almost every other video sitting comfortably at millions of views. This is awesome. Take a look at this second channel. 23 videos, 163,000 subscribers. Monetized in 7 days. It's already making between $15,000 and $20,000 every single month, and the entire strategy is 100% free. Crazy, right? This channel posts no face, no camera, no expensive software, just still images stitched together with a voiceover. That's it. And they're sitting at 163,000 subscribers with one video alone pulling over 7.7 million views. I went deep on this channel. I studied every video. I broke down the exact formula they're using, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy it step by step so you can build the same thing yourself. And it's not just this channel. Other creators have started jumping on the trend as well and are seeing strong results. Channels like Hypothetically, Quark, Grand Calafa, and even Quanta are all performing incredibly well in this niche. And I will officially crown the Stickman animation niche as one of the best YouTube automation niches that anyone can go into, because you can pretty much start any niche of your choice if you know how to create these videos. So that is why I'm going to be showing you guys how to create these videos exactly. Guess what? It's very easy. You just need to understand how to do it. Now, let's get started. The very first step is to head over to Google or Pinterest and search for Stickman animation figure. Download whichever Stickman character design appeals to you the most. Once you have your character ready, now for the second step, you need to do is visit the channel and take a screenshot just like this. Once you have the channel, open ChatGPT and click on New Chat. All you just need to do is upload the screenshot and write a simple prompt like this. With only 23 videos, this channel has gotten 163,000 subscribers. Can you suggest very similar video ideas for me? As simple as that. Click on Generate and ChatGPT is going to start generating you very awesome ideas that can go viral just like this. So all you just need to do is find a topic that is very similar to the channel that got 7.7 million views. Once you have a video topic, all you need to do is highlight it and copy it. As simple as that. The next thing you need to do is click on the Google Doc file that is going to be in the video description below, and then it's going to bring you to this prompt that I've already created for you. Copy it in full and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Enter your preferred video duration, then paste your selected idea inside the prompt and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete video script matched to your timing, including full narration along with image prompts and video prompts for every single scene. Copy the image prompt for scene 1 and head over to Google Flow. First, upload the character image you downloaded earlier, then click on your character image. Click on 3 dots and choose Add to Prompt and make sure to turn your desired image settings. Paste the prompt in and hit Generate. Your first scene image will be ready within seconds. Click on your character image again and select Add to Prompt to keep your character consistent across every scene. Copy image prompt 2, paste it in, and repeat this exact process until all your scene images are generated. I have created 4 scenes here to show you the full process. Now, let's bring these images to life. Click on your very first image and select Animate. Choose OmniFlash as your video model and set the duration to roughly 8 to 10 seconds. Copy the video prompt for scene 1, paste it in, and hit Generate. Your first video scene will be completely finished within seconds. Repeat this exact same process to convert every remaining image into a fully animated video clip. Once all your video clips are ready, download them and head back to ChatGPT. Type in this prompt and hit enter, and it will provide your complete script written out in clean paragraph form. Copy the full script and open your preferred text-to-speech tool. I am using Google AI Studio for this. Select a voice that matches your character's personality. Paste in your script and hit Generate. Your full voiceover will be ready in just a few seconds. So now you have the visuals, you have this voiceover. It's time to put them together. And we are going to be using CapCut for this. You can use any editing software of your choice that you're familiar with. What you just need to do is upload the voiceover and images into CapCut just like this. Then the first thing you need to do is add this voiceover into the timeline. Once you have the voiceover here, you can start adding the visuals one after the other. Make sure you're listening to the voiceover and know exactly where to place each image, so you're going to have a very engaging and entertaining video. Now, this is exactly how I was able to arrange all these images just like this according to the voice. Once you're done with that, you can basically just click on export and save the video to your device.
Imagine waking up 20,000 years ago. It's freezing cold, snow covers the land, and there are no houses or heaters. So, how did ancient humans survive? They kept fires burning day and night for warmth and cooking. They wore thick animal skins to trap heat and slept close together inside caves to share body warmth. Every hunt was risky, but teamwork, smart planning, and determination helped them survive the harshest winters. Without these simple skills, humans might never have made it this far.
Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Good luck to everyone who's going to try this out. I'm also planning to start a channel in this niche myself, and I'll keep you guys updated on the progress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI content tutorials. And if you need the prompt, DM me on Instagram, where I'll be sharing free prompts.